Let's talk alcohol. There is not enough sunshine in Latvia to grow proper grapes, except that one hill in Sabile. So Latvians know how to, and also do, make wine out of anything that rots and has plenty of sugar in it. That includes your grandmother's strawberry jam from 2012, and also all kinds of berries and fruit that you didn't know even were edible, or even existed. Do you know which year had the best harvest of lingonberries? That's what I thought. If we talk about wine, we have to mention this product. Rīgas Šampanietis. It's the most honest champagne in the world because it tastes exactly like what it says it is. A champagne made in Riga.